Okay, so what I have here is the valve carburetor. I just cleaned it, so I washed everything, and I'm going to assemble it back to to where it was before. So the way how we check if you need to replace those diaphragms is, for example, on the fuel pump, if you can rotate this small kind of like metal circle, then it needs replacement. If not, then it's okay. Four screws. Nice thing about this carburetor that it doesn't look too wasted. So it wasn't used a lot, and I don't see that it's too stiff either, because those diaphragms have valves, and those valves sometimes get really hard, so you can feel it that it's either displaced or just sticking out. Alright. Let's see. This is the way it was. Okay, here we go. So the carburetor is ready, everything is cleaned, nice and shiny. Yeah, the next step